Myself Omkar Gawande, and topic this is the demonstrate or explaining cogeneration and trigeneration process. Uh, Cogeneration is defined as the also referred to as combined heat and power is the simultaneous or sequentially production of mechanical energy, electricity and thermal energy process or space heat. And three types of cogeneration: topping cycles, second is bottom cycles, third is combined cycles. Topping cycles produces electricity first, and the thermal energy that results from the combustion process is used to process heat. Space heat or additional electricity production. Second is bottoming cycle. Bottoming cycle is defined as the produce high temperature to thermal energy topical steam for process application, and then the lower temperature steam is recovered and used to generate electricity. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करते लोअरला. टॉपिंग सायकल्स आर मोर कॉमन दॅन बॉटमिंग सायकल्स. कॉमन सायकल्स आर बेस्ड ऑन टॉपिंग सायकल्स. म्हणजे कॉमन सायकल पुरे डिपेंड ज्याचे बेस आहे ते टॉपिंग सायकल्सवर. बट द स्टीम इन दॅट इज जनरेटेड फ्रॉम द एक्झिक्यूट गॅस इज डायरेक्टेड इन टू अ स्टीम टर्बाइन टू प्रोड्यूस ॲडिशनल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Advantages of cogeneration. Cogeneration can significantly reduce carbon emissions and energy cost, as this EPA case study shows. And while typical combustion systems have an efficiency of about 40 to 50%, cogeneration systems that combine the power and heat generation process can be up to 80% efficiency. And the benefits of cogeneration: first is in hacking operational efficiency to lower overhead cost. Second is reducing energy waste, thereby increase energy efficiency. जे reduce झाली एनर्जी आहे ती increase करते. Offering offering greater energy independence by moving a portion of the load of the grid. And fourth is allowing companies to replace again in structure. Second is trigeneration. Trigeneration is the producing of combined cooling, heat and power from a single generator or process. The trigen system produce electricity and useful heat which is utilized for hot water, space heating or steam production, as well as energy efficient is cooling. A typical trigeneration system involves the extension of a CHP plant by coupling a prime mover to thermal driving equipment to produce cooling. By this extension, the waste energy from the prime mover can be used to drive both heating and cooling system. Diagram is trigeneration. First is fuel is 100%. Second is heat loss किती करते 13%. And electricity generate the trigeneration is 30%, and heat produce 55%, then cooling, and last is line losses is 2%. A typical trigeneration system involves the extension of a CHP plant by coupling a prime mover to thermally driven equipment to produce cooling. By this extension, the waste energy from the prime mover can be used to drive both heating and cooling system. जे वेस्ट झालेली हीट आहे एनर्जी ते काय करते यूज टू ड्राइविंग बोथ हीटिंग अँड कूलिंग सिस्टीम. अँड एलिमेंट्स ऑफ trigeneration system diagrams: fuel CHP and transfer to heat, and absorption chiller chilled water, and second is electricity and supply CHP heat. Thank you.